Hi everybody, this is Ivy Crearts again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how I made this elephant desk organizer, phone holder, iPad holder, stationery holder. So it's 4-in-1. And I really like this because I love elephants and it saves a lot of space and it's sturdy. Yes, here we go. So this is our pattern and I just used an old folder and I draw an elephant with the measurements. We are going to cut two of these and here's the measurement in inches. So just follow that one and then you can make it smaller if you want to. You can divide it into two, but this certain elephant organizer, I intended to do this because for my iPad, because my iPad is kind of big, so it fits very well. So here we have, this will be the length of our sides would be 5 by 5 and the other one is 5.5 inches for the bottom. And yeah, let me just cut this one so you will know what I'm talking about here. Alright, you can also use a chipboard if you want to save your pattern for later. And then, by the way, I did make some adjustments here. So this is the bottom part, and yeah, we are going to cut the shaded portion of this square, and I actually need to do this for both sides, so I just drew it on the other side as well, but it'll be the same. So those flaps will serve as your like nuts and bolts, right? So we're gonna do both sides, and then, well, anyway, like I said, I'm going to show you how I attach these parts together using foam boards. So for now, we're just gonna cut our pattern. So this is the main body of the elephant. Yes, there you go, almost done. All right, so now looks like this, and we are just going to make a hole here so we can attach the frames for the front, back, and the bottom part to the bodies, the front and back bodies of the elephant. So you can use X-Acto knife or a blade and then scissors. So like I said, I did make an adjustment which I'm going to show you later on for the back part of the body, but the idea is, so you are going to attach the inner portion of the organizer like so, like that, and then you're going to do it front and back and then the bottom. So to help us understand better, we are going to transfer it to our foam board. So in one foam board you can actually make two, I guess. Yeah, two, about 3 elephant holders. And yeah, so since I only made one, so this is just less than $1. And for the cover, I already have like papers that I can use. You can also just paint it if you like. You can draw on it. But anyway, here it is. So we have two main parts of the elephant, the front and the back, and then the inner portions. We have 3 of those. And then we are going to attach it this way, like that. So here, if you can see, I made some adjustments. Yeah, like that. So that's the base. And then we are just going to attach the bottom part like that. There you go. And then simply we are just going to cover it next. All right, there you go. And like I said, we're gonna cover it. I already have papers. You can also paint it if you like, and I think I'm just gonna cover it using papers to design. What do you call it? Papers to design. I already have some construction papers, or yeah, this one. Anyway, I forgot. My brain is not working. But so this is my design right now. I wish I have an elephant design that would go really perfect with this one, but this would be fine. Light blue and with umbrella and rain. So like that. So we're just gonna trace it. I have like 1 to 2 centimeters allowance for folding. And there you go. It's totally covered now. And next one will be, of course, we are going to attach the parts together. So in total, there are 3 parts, but I actually added 1 part, which you will see at the end of the video. So I just slice that hole a little bit for the back cover of the the plain blue one. Ano ba, slice lang na ako siya gamay for the foam board to para masumpay sila tanan like that. And you can use glue to supplement it para mas ligon gid siya. Ana. So make sure everything is straight and you already like how big it is. You can add divisions. You can make it 2 or 4 divisions para mas daghan pa kag masulod. So for now, I think I'm just going to do 2 divisions. So I would say this is, like I said, 4-in-1 gid ni siya nga desk organizer for phone, for iPad, for stationery, and for your pens. So here I'm using glue para mas stable siya. And then, so I just realized my glue isn't hot that yet. So let's see, hindi pa siya init. Okay, there you go. There, like that. So you are going to put the base first, ang pinakailalom, the bottom part, para madali na lang ma-attach ng mga nasa ibabaw. Okay, and like that. There you have it. So i-attach lang po na ako ang other side of the elephant, the back body of the elephant, and then supplement again with glue gun or hot glue para mas stable siya, like that. So we're just gonna let it dry, press it para dili siya mabungkag dayon. There you go. There. So like I said, I added 1 division there, or 1 foam board for 2 divisions. And there. So let's see how it looks like when we put our phone, iPad, pens, and other stuff. Okay. So, yan na siya pagbutang sa cellphone. So of course, kung sa kadako, you have to measure your phone like this. There you go. So, kani siya is 5x5 ang iyahang kalaparon. 5x5 ang iyahang width. Like that. So, you can adjust it according to the size of your phone. iPad, no problem. So, this is the front. There. And let's see if iPad works here. There you go. And that's me. Hi. So, we're almost done. There. So, yeah. Kung ganahan mo ani, if you like this, you can make one for yourself. And, again, i-adjust lang ninyo ang size. Depende sa size sa inyong cellphone. Pila ka divisions inyong gusto. Ana. So, elephant ganahan, magugug elephant. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you have suggestions or if you have questions. If you want the pattern, let me know. I can put the link for the PDF copy of this pattern. And yes, if you have suggestions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.